Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through system number 3, which is our trend trader strategy on crude oil. Now this system has been trading for, it's for the last 2 years. So we're doing a 12-month review here, and the beauty about this strategy is it only trades for 10 minutes a day. So in the last 12 months, it's managed to produce $11,000 worth of profit since July 2012 per single lot traded. Now that is, like, obviously with a 10k account, that's a return on investment of 112%. Now I'm going to just explain a few things about this strategy, because the beauty about this system is that, as I mentioned before, it only trades 10 minutes a day and it's not trading every day. So that is a phenomenally good return on investment as far as your time in the market and the amount of time you're spending actually trading the system, because remember, it is automated trading. So let's have a look at the system, and let's have a look at the current settings for our pro traders as well. Okay traders, before we jump in, we'll do our market update. So you can see here that we've got crude oil running on a daily chart, and you can definitely see based on our daily chart that we've got a huge positive bias, or a long bias, on crude. So what we're going to do is we're going to load up two indicators here. We're going to load up our standard volatility stochastic, and the other strategy, or the other indicator we're going to load up, is our ATR, just to get an idea of what the volatility and the range has been. So you can see the volatility has been falling recently, slightly climbing, still fairly low volatility based on obviously where the market's at. And if we go to our ATR, which will be at the top of our indicator list, we want to load up the average true range, which is there. And you can see the ATR is probably coming up to about midpoint, so that's not too bad. So we're getting good volume, getting reasonable range for the day. Now remember, we're only trading for 10 minutes, so this is where you've got to be a little bit careful with your bias. Now there is a long bias on this market. However, our strategy on system number 3 is actually, it's only trading 10 minutes a day. It's the market open 9 to 9:10. Now what's interesting with this system is that the strategy is working exceptionally well on the short side at the moment. So, if we have a look at our portfolio management spreadsheet here, crude oil open 89 tick, we've got our benchmark stats in there. You can see that that the average trade net profit at the moment is 103.66. That's one of our key telling indicators, because we need to know what our average trade net profit is, to make sure that we've got a positive expectancy, we're making enough money. Our drawdown at the moment is 585. Now the stats I've got loaded up in our portfolio manager spreadsheet here are back from the 21st of the 12th, so not all the data is in there, but basically this is what we're tracking at the moment. Profit factor is 3.19, and you can see that. Okay traders, so we've come to our heat map here, which is basically just our tracking of our strategy. So we've got system number 3 on the trend, crude 89 tick, it's currently up, market's falling, medium ATR, we've got our 10 minutes of trading, and it's trading Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So traders, our system is trading Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, only on the short side, so 25% of the system is on. It has a circuit breaker of $600, so a very small circuit breaker, and you can see there that we've got plenty of opportunity to be trading other strategies while that one's not trading. But the beauty about this thing is that it's trading 10 minutes a day. So what that effectively means is that it's not even trading every single day. It's averaging around about 156 trading days a year. So traders, you can see there that the payoff, as I mentioned before, 156 trading days. We're trading for 10 minutes a day. So the payoff works out to be $433 per hour per single contract. That is huge. So if you're looking at your systems, or you're looking at your trading business, and you're looking at trying to justify what you're doing, well, this is what you should be looking at as well. You should be looking at the time invested in what you're trying to achieve. Now remember that the reason why most of us get into trading is to leverage our time, to spend more time with our family and friends and enjoy the better things in life. Now sometimes you have to do this reality check and just work out how much time you're putting into your trading, and work out what your payoff is, because at the end of the day, you pay for everything that you do. So whether it's, you may not be paying for it financially, but you may be paying for it out of your time, and the time is taken away. And so remember that time's our most valuable resource. So we just want to make sure that we're maximizing the time that we're spending in the market. So that's system number 3. Payoff is 4.33 per hour per single contract. So remember that that allows us now to look at our systems and say, right, well, what else can we leverage based on our account? What else can we be trading that's going to increase our per hourly rate on our contracts? Because that's really ultimately what we're doing. So even though over the year it doesn't sound like a huge amount, $11,000 on a $10,000 account, if you break it down in a per hour amount for the amount of time you're in the market, that's phenomenally good. And the other thing too to remember is that that is per single lot traded. So traders, that's why when we look at these stats, we've got to really look at it in the context of what we're doing with our time in them. So traders, if you've enjoyed that presentation and you want to find out more about the automated system trading that we do, you can easily contact us at info@gmtfutures.com. You can visit our website, www.gmtfutures.com. You can go to our products page and purchase one of our strategies. We're doing a regular review on our systems, so you could be part of our GMT team and be reviewing our systems, getting the updates, being part of a community that's working together collectively to achieve a common goal, which is obviously improving our trading edge. So look, we'd love to hear from you. So if you'd like to contact us, the number's there, 617-336-00875. More than happy to chat to you about our strategies. And again, have a fantastic weekend. And just remember that that when you're looking at your trading, just do a quick analysis of where you're at, how much time you're putting into it, and what your payoff is with your systems. So have a fantastic day. Cheers.